Hey David, good afternoon.
Hey,
It's
Joe.
great to be with you today. I'm Joe
Good to see you.
Hinkowski with the Hinkowski team, and this is David Bates with David Bates and Associates. And we're here to tell you about what's happening in the market here in the month of March, what happened statistically. So why don't you start out, David?
Well, it's been a crazy 3 months, hasn't it?
It sure has.
And March is the same indicator.
Yeah.
We had a decrease in listings in single-family homes and a decrease in condos, and the number of sales went up in both as well. So there are a lot of people out there buying, and
We've seen the same thing in our business. We've seen a lot of buyers. Right, pretty much in February, it was like all of a sudden the buyers just came out of the woodwork.
Yeah.
So the folks are out there. I think they see value in the marketplace. You know,
Yeah.
the median sale price for single-family homes was $113,000 last month, which is actually up from January and December. It was hovering around 100,000.
right.
Still certainly down about 18% from last year, but still I think the buyers are seeing the value out there and they're jumping on those deals.
Well, I think they're seeing the bottom of the market. We've approached it. We're here, and nobody knows when the market's going to start upswinging. Guesstimates are it's going to take a long time, but when investors and people see the value, like you said, they're going to go out and buy.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And you know, with the number of foreclosures that are out there, the statistics about 50-60% of the sales last month were distressed properties, either bank owned
Right.
or short sale properties. So that's really keeping the values down, but it's still a good solid market, a great time for folks to buy, and actually even now to sell, because we're, you know, with all of the buyers out there, it's creating a little bit of competition. And even you mentioned the dip in the number of available listings for both single family and condominiums. That means there's a little bit less for the buyers to choose from. So it could be a good time for the sellers to maybe get their property sold.
Well, interest rates are still good. You know, interest rates have gone up a little bit, but they're still a phenomenal. It's a phenomenal time to be selling because buyers can buy more of a home based on a lower interest rate.
Exactly.
And the other dynamic that's really blowing everybody's mind is 66% of all of our transactions last month were cash.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And
that's phenomenal.
yeah, even quite a few of our buyers and that we're working with right now are cash buyers as well. Probably about a third, I guess, of the buyers that we're working with right now are cash buyers. So there is money out there, and the people, you know, are ready to jump on those deals.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, 911 properties that sold last month, and there was a total of 1432. But out of that 1432, 911 of them were cash.
Wow. So that's a large percentage. So right now it's get your home on the market because the buyers are out there, and if you're thinking about buying, jump on the deals because they are available out there between the bank-owned properties, the short sales, and even the folks that are just a regular equity sale. They need to be competitive, so I think now's the time to do it.
Yeah. It's a fun market, isn't it?
Oh, it's very exciting.
We're having a ball.
Yep.
It's great.
So until next month, that's the statistics for Pinellas County. If you have any questions, feel free to contact either David Bates with David Bates and Associate or Joe Hinkowski with the Hinkowski team. Have a great day.
Take care.